Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm doing an unboxing for this new Hamilton Beach pizza maker. I just got the ups man just threw it on the porch. I can hear it bump. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, just looking at the box, it looked like it's something that somebody had and retaped and sent back. And what's this mess right here? What kind of tape is that stuck on the side? You know, when you start a fresh roll of tape, it always got this stuff on the first piece. So this is not a professional taping job from a company. So, and the bottom corners are also taped with that messy tape. So I'm doing this video also so Amazon can see how it was when I first got it, just in case something is wrong. I'm going to set this on the floor so I can lift this thing out of here. The booklet is on the top. Okay, let me turn this off so I can get this out the box. I'm struggling. I'll pull it out this way. It looks new. No scratches or anything on it. I'm widening this. I read the reviews and people were complaining about the short cord. What's that? 2 feet long cord? I mean, that's not a problem for me. Okay, let's open this thing. There's the heating coils. And here's the pizza pan. Why are these holes on the side? Okay, so it's supposed to have a, this is supposed to turn around while your food is cooking. Let me see. I think that's deep enough for some chicken wings to go on here, y'all. I'm pitiful, ain't I? Got the vents so the steam can go out. It looks new. Okay. Let's see about these settings. One is temperature and one is the heat. So the heat goes up to number 5. So I have to read what temp that would be. And the time goes up to 30 minutes. So I just turn the dial. It's ticking now. Okay. Okay. Let me show y'all. Tell y'all some specifics about it. Okay, it says, let me move it. Another red gadget. Okay. It says hot and delicious pizza, snacks, and appetizers. See all the stuff it makes. It cooks a 12-inch pizza. It rotates for even cooking. It has a viewing window to let you watch your food as it cooks and spins around. 30-minute cooking timer with auto shut-off. No preheating required. Adjustable heat control, yeah. Cooks up to 40% faster and is up to 52% more energy efficient than a regular kitchen oven. And it's rated by consumers 4 stars instead of 5. Okay. We shall soon see. And this is by Hamilton Beach. Enclosed top and bottom heating elements. It says it's adjustable heat control. Power light. Oh, it has a light in it. I didn't know that. Perfect for fresh or frozen pizza, snacks, and appetizers. Okay. I will be demonstrating this pizza maker shortly. Okay, if you like this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. I think I already did the thumbnail. Okay, bye y'all.